Welcome back to Slow English Storytime. The soft sound of my alarm rings. I slowly open my eyes, and I can see a little light entering through my curtains. I don't rush. I just lie there breathing softly, enjoying the comfort of my bed. I stretch my arms above my head. My body feels a little heavy from sleep. But with each stretch, I feel lighter and more awake. I gently sit up, place my feet on the floor, and take a deep breath. The air feels cool and refreshing. Before leaving the bed, I fix my blanket and pillows. I believe a tidy bed brings a tidy mind. When I look back and see my bed neat and clean, it gives me a small sense of achievement. I walk to the window, slowly pull the curtains. The golden light of the morning sun touches my room. The air outside looks fresh. Birds are singing softly. It feels like the world is waking up with me. Before doing anything, I drink a glass of warm water. I hold the glass in both hands. The water feels comforting. I sip slowly, letting it refresh my body from the inside. Each sip feels like new energy preparing me for the day. Now, I walk into the bathroom. The cool tiles under my feet remind me I am truly awake. I splash my face with cool water. The water feels soft and wakes me up completely. I gently pat my skin dry. I continue with my skincare. First, a light cleanser, then my favorite cream. When I apply it, I move slowly, enjoying this little act of care. Taking care of my skin is more than just beauty. It is a moment of love for myself. Now, I take a warm shower. The water flows gently, washing away all the sleepiness. I close my eyes and let the sound of water calm my mind. Every drop feels like a new beginning. By the time I finish, I feel clean, light, and full of energy. I step out, wrap myself in a soft towel. And I smile because now I am ready to truly begin the day. I roll out my yoga mat in the living room. The room is bright with natural sunlight. I sit down, cross my legs, and place my hands on my knees. I close my eyes and breathe deeply. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly, gently. For a few minutes, I only focus on my breath. It clears my thoughts and brings peace inside me. After that, I begin some light yoga stretches. I move my body slowly, stretching my arms, my back, and my legs. Every movement feels like a gift. When I finish, my body feels strong, and my heart feels calm. Now it is time for breakfast. I go into the kitchen and prepare something simple but healthy. Today I cook oatmeal, soft and warm. I cut some fresh strawberries, blueberries, and bananas. Their colors make the bowl look beautiful. I drizzle a little honey on top. The sweetness makes it perfect. I also prepare a cup of green tea. Its warm aroma fills the kitchen. I sit near the window. Take my first spoon of oatmeal. It is warm, sweet, and comforting. I drink my tea slowly. Every sip makes me feel refreshed. This breakfast is not only food. It is energy and kindness for my body. After breakfast, I carry a cup of coffee into the living room. The sunlight is softer now, falling gently on the floor. I sit down with a book, open its pages, and slowly begin to read. I love these quiet mornings. No rush, no noise, just me and my thoughts. Sometimes I underline a sentence that inspires me. Sometimes I close my eyes and think about the words I just read. Reading in the morning fills me with calmness and new ideas. Later in the day, I spend some time organizing. I water my plants. Their green leaves shine under the sunlight. When I touch them, I feel connected to nature. I clean my desk, arrange my notebooks. A clean space helps me focus better. I also write a few notes in my journal. My goals, my feelings, or small reminders. It keeps me balanced and focused. Sometimes, I even sit quietly, looking out of the window, just watching the clouds move slowly across the sky. When the evening comes, I like to go for a walk outside. The sky turns orange, pink, and purple. The air feels cooler, gentle on my face. I walk slowly, listening to the sounds of the evening. Birds flying home, leaves moving softly with the wind. It is one of the most peaceful parts of my day. This short walk clears my mind completely. When I return home, I prepare dinner. I choose something light and healthy. Tonight, I make a vegetable soup. I cut fresh carrots, spinach, and potatoes. The smell fills the kitchen, warm and comforting. I sit at the table, eating slowly, one spoon at a time. Every bite feels nourishing. As I eat, I think about the day. I feel grateful for the simple moments. After dinner, I go back to the bathroom. I wash my face again. Apply my night cream gently. The cool texture relaxes my skin and my mind. I change into my soft pajamas. Light a small candle in my room. The glow is warm and peaceful. I sit for a few minutes doing nothing. Just breathing, just enjoying the silence. Before I sleep, I open my journal once again. I write 3 things that I am grateful for today. Sometimes it is something big. Sometimes it is something very small, like a good meal or a smile. Writing these words fills me with peace. It reminds me that life is full of little blessings. I close my journal and whisper thank you.